How are you? こんにちは皆さん。お元気ですか? Today we are going to learn tongue twisters in Japanese. Tongue twister we say 早口言葉。早口言葉。Well, 早い this verb, this 早い this 漢字 it comes from quick, quickly, rapid. 早い fast. This is all 早い。口 this is just the same as ろ of the Katakana, but 口 this is the mouth. 言葉 this is words. And this 漢字 comes from 言います to say something 言います。ば this is the leaves of the tree. は so 言葉 together this is the words. 早口 well, this means the person who speaks very, very fast. 早口な人 the person who speaks so fast. 早口 well, 早口言葉 because we must say very, very, very fast these tongue twisters. Tongue twister is quite difficult in any language. For example, in English, I only know the first part of this one. Peter Piper picked up pickled peppers. Oh, I could say it, but it's quite difficult because so we have to say so quickly. Today, we are going to learn 5 tongue twisters in Japanese. Well, the first one is easier. 庭には鶏がいる。庭には鶏がいる。Well, 庭 the first 庭 this is garden 庭 in the garden 庭 the second 庭 this is how to count the birds in Japanese this is the 庭 and this kanji the second one this is 羽 wings so we say for example one bird 1羽2羽3羽4羽5羽6羽 like this so two birds 2羽鶏 this is the hen or rooster 鶏 hens or rooster がいる there are so there are two hens in the garden this is 庭には鶏がいる then when we can say very well once that we must say 3 times 庭には鶏がいる庭には鶏がいる庭には鶏がいる like this. The next tongue twister is this one. すもももももも桃のうちもももすももも桃のうち So many more, right? Well, すもも here I wrote in Katakana because it must be very, very difficult if everything in Hiragana. すもももももも then I don't understand it, anything. So I changed this one in Katakana and this momo in kanji. Well, the first すもも this is plum, the fruit, plums. すももも this is すももも桃 peach も桃 peach のうち it means plums as well as peach are the family of the peach so the plums and the peach so as well as plum as the peach is the family of the peach すももも桃も桃のうち so until here how many more すもももももももものうち so there are 8 more altogether すもももももももものうち and the second one this is just the changing the order もももすももももものうち peach as well as plums are the families of the peach もももすももももものうち then I must say 3 times おすもももももももものうち。もももすももももものうち。OK。すもももももももものうち。もももすももももものうち。OK。すもももももももものうち。もももすももももものうち。Now the third one. This is gonna be difficult. But you challenge it, okay? 隣の客はよくかき食う客だ。Well, what does it mean? 隣 This is the nearby, or in this case, 隣 the neighbor. 隣の客 客 It can be client, but in this case, visitor. So the visitor that came to the neighbor, the visitor of the neighbor, 隣の客はよく This means quite a lot. 柿 柿 This 柿 it means the fruit. This one 柿 柿 fruit. This is the autumn fruit, persimmon. よく柿食う食う This is the 漢字 of 食べます食べる食べます to eat. And 食う is the same as 食べる but 食べる is normal way and 食う it's not so elegant to say 食う but here it's okay because we can pronounce 食うかきかくく so it's very good exercise かき食う客だ客 again visitor so this means the visitor of the neighbor eat a lot of かき like this so 隣の客はよくかき食う客だ then we must say 3 times very quickly very fast 隣の客はよくかき食う客だ隣の客はよくかき食う客だ隣の客はよくかき食う客だdifficult did you challenge it? The fourth quite difficult 坊主が屏風に上手に坊主の絵を描いた Well, I'm gonna explain 坊主坊主 This is Buddhist monk It's like お坊さん坊主 But 坊主 can be the shaved head also because お坊さん doesn't have any hair 坊主 But here it means 坊主 This is monk 坊主が屏風に屏風 This is biombo. Do you know what is biombo? This is a folding screen. に屏風に上手に very well 上手に坊主の絵絵 This is design or picture 坊主の絵 The picture of 坊主、picture of the monk or monk's picture をdirect comprehend 描いた描いた to draw a picture well 書きます there are two ways to write in kanji usually 書きます with other kanji this is to write 書きます but here with this kanji this means to draw a picture to draw this is 書いた、so it means the monk draw a picture of monk very well, so well in a folding screen. Like this. 坊主が屏風に上手に坊主の絵を描いた。So, let's try 3 times. 坊主が屏風に上手に坊主の絵を描いた。坊主が屏風に上手に坊主の絵を描いた。坊主が屏風に上手に坊主の絵を描いた。The last one, the fifth, 5番目。This is very difficult. This is very difficult for me. Well, now the first I'm gonna read not so fast. 隣の竹やぶに竹立てかけたのは誰だ Well, I'm gonna explain what this means. 隣 neighbor or very near 隣の竹やぶ竹やぶ This is bamboo grove 竹やぶ So 隣の竹やぶに、in the bamboo grove very near from here. 竹 this is bamboo, but here this bamboo pole or bamboo stick. 竹、立てかけたのは誰だ？立てかける、立てかけます。This is the verb to lean against or to set against like this. 立てかけます。To set against, to lean against. 誰だ？ Who is? So, who is the person who set the bamboo against set the bamboo in the bamboo grove nearby like this. Then let's read a little bit, not so fast, okay? 隣の竹やぶに竹立てかけたのは誰だ？ Then I'm gonna try 3 times. 隣の竹やぶに竹立てかけたのは誰だ？隣の竹やぶに竹difficult. 隣の竹やぶに竹立てかけたのは誰だ？隣の竹やぶに竹立てかけたのは誰だ？ It's very, very difficult. Here, 竹立てかけた。This part is very, very difficult for me. 竹立てかけた、竹立てかけた。そう、隣の竹やぶに竹立てかけたのは誰だ？ Difficult. Did you try it? And if you could say it, that would be a very, very big bravo, because this is very difficult, even for me, and I'm Japanese, and it's difficult. I'm sure in your country there are many, many, many tongue twisters. And what is your favorite? Which one is it? Maybe you can write under my commentary below this video. And all of these 5 that we learned today, could you say one? Or what is your favorite? And if you liked this video, please give me a like. And if you share my videos with your friend, that helped me a lot. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe my channel too. 今日もここまで見てくださって本当にどうもありがとうございます。ぜひチャンネル登録といいねボタン、そして私のビデオをお友達とシェアしていただけたらとても嬉しいです。どうぞお願いします。ではまた会いましょう。じゃあね。